lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Delphine and this is the Nobia's platform. So if you're new to this channel and would like to get content about natural hairstyles, beauty, lifestyle and toddler hairstyles, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel because I do videos like that. Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can shape your eyebrow, or how I shape my eyebrow at home if you don't want to pay any money, or if you don't want to go through the pain the pain of using tweezers or having to pay people to trim it for you. Okay guys, so let's get into the video. Guys, I have 3 different things that I've used or I'm using. I just rotate between them. So first is a razor blade, a razor blade shaper, this one, the bigger one, and the smaller one. So I've been using this lately and it works great. So guys, let's get started. Zoom this out a little bit so you can see. So guys, this is my eyebrow right now. This is what it looks like. So that's not looking good. So we are going to be shaping that to suit me. So guys, this is what my eyebrow looks like right now. So I'm going to be using this to comb it out, brush it out, comb it out, whichever. So I'm going to be so first guys, you want to I'm just going to brush it out like that. So guys, first thing first, after brushing it out, you first of all want to have it in mind how you want your brow to look like. So you want to know, I already know how I want. So you already have to pre-shape it in your mind, okay? So that it will make it a lot easier for you to shape it out. So guys, literally as you can see from my previous, so I'm just going to follow this line like that. So I always like my brow to go up and then curve like that, you know, like the natural kind of brow. Oh, what am I saying? So like I said, you can use the razor, you can use and I'm going to use my Vaseline or a moisturizer. If you have brow moisturizer or primer, guys, you can just go ahead and use that. So I'm just using Vaseline and then I'm just going to brush that out again. So guys, like I said, I'm just following this line, you know, just the way it's already been. So this is the before, take note. So let's start shaping. So guys, I'm just taking out the excess hair that I don't want. So guys, if you want to reduce the hair, you know, if your brow is so thick and you want to trim it out a little bit, all you need to do is first shape the top part how you want it to be. I don't want to reduce that top part or anything, but I just want it to be, you know, in order. So I'm just like So guys, all I do is I just brush it up, you know, to the part where I shaped, and then just take out any excess hair that I don't want. This is where my blade comes in handy. So after doing that, so you can also do the same thing downward, like that. You brush it down. And then just take out the excess. So guys, as you can see, that is a lot more better than the way it was when we first started. So if I were to go in right now with my pencil, it's going to be a lot more easier for me to shape my eyebrow. Guys, you can do it even better. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Yeah, so guys, that's it. So guys, as you can see, after shaping your eyebrow, it's a lot more easier to go in with your pencil because you just have to follow the shape, you know, of your brow and not have to figure out where to draw and all that stuff. So shaping your eyebrow makes it really easy for you to do the rest of your brow when doing your makeup. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and let me know what you think in the comments, or how you do your brow. Okay, I just want to know so that maybe it could help me too. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Make sure you come back home. Okay.